Hello guys, welcome to my channel T Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a profile not detecting completely error. The directory is not empty. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first method is set. First of all, in the search box type sysdm.cpl. So open it. After opening that, go to your advanced options, go to your user profile, go to your settings, and if any uh, unknown name detected, those then delete it, select and delete it. So in my case, it's not any unknown name. So click OK to continue and go to OK. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box type as services, open services. After doing this set, find out a Windows search. Now after find out a Windows search, now here is a Windows search and open it and stop it. After that, click OK and close it. After doing this set, I hope your problem is fixed. Thank you for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.